Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can download and install Xampp and WordPress on your laptop. Go to Google and type Xampp. Click on the Apache Friends website. Select your operating system and download 64-bit Xampp file on your laptop. Meanwhile, open another tab and browse wordpress.org. On the top right corner, click on Get WordPress. After downloading the WordPress, your next step is to run the installations. Now complete the installation process. After the Xampp installation, click on the downloaded WordPress zip folder and extract the files. Click on the downloaded WordPress folder and copy all the files. Now open downloaded Xampp folder, find htdocs folder, open it, make a new folder inside it, then paste all the copied WordPress files into this folder. Step number 4 is to start local server. Now click on the start buttons. Step number 5 is to create database on localhost phpMyAdmin. Go to your browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin. Click on Databases. To create the database, type in the exact folder's name you created inside the htdocs folder. Browse localhost/name of your database. Now next step is to set up WordPress. Choose your language. Click on Let's Go. Write the name of your database. The username will always be root. Leave the other entries. Click on Run the installation. Complete the WordPress installation process and then you will be able to use WordPress. Give the title to your website. Choose a username and password. Use the same username and password to log into your WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel.